Emergency exit, left hand. Emergency exit, right hand. First aid. Emergency telephone. Direction, arrow, 90 degrees increments, safe condition. Direction, 45 degrees arrow, 90 degrees increments, safe condition. Evacuation assembly point. Brake to obtain access. Doctor. Automated external heart defibrillator. Eye wash station. Safety shower. Stretcher. Child seat presence and orientation detection system, CPOD. Drinking water. Emergency window with escape ladder. Rescue window. Turn anti-clockwise to open. Turn clockwise to open. Emergency stop button. Protection shelter. Door opens by pushing on the left-hand side. Door opens by pushing on the right-hand side. Evacuation temporary refuge. Emergency hammer. Emergency exit for people unable to walk or with walking impairment, left. Medical grab bag. Oxygen resuscitator. Emergency escape breathing device. Emergency exit for people unable to walk or with walking impairment, right. Shipboard general alarm. Shipboard assembly station. Door slides right to open. Door slides left to open. Life raft knife. Lifeboat. Rescue boat. Life raft. Davit launched life raft. Life buoy. Life buoy with line. Life buoy with light. Life buoy with line and light. Life jacket. Child's life jacket. Infant's life jacket. Search and rescue transponder. Survival craft distress signal. Rocket parachute flare. Line throwing appliance. Two-way VHF radio telephone apparatus. Emergency position indicating radio beacon. Embarkation ladder. Marine evacuation slide. Marine evacuation chute. Survival clothing. Door opens by pulling on the left-hand side. Door opens by pulling on the right-hand side. Escape ladder. Evacuation chair. Water life-saving equipment. Tsunami evacuation area. Tsunami evacuation building. First aid responder.